So there was a question on how I do my stop motion, and as I said, I'm a beginner, so I'm going to just show you basically what I learned, and this is how I shoot. So you just go to search for the effect, and then you look for, I normally have it saved, so you look for stop motion. It's right there, it should look like that, something like that, stop motion. So you click on that, and then it should bring something like that. So you flip the camera depending on where you want to take, and then hit the start button. Your stand should always be still. So make sure you have your camera on a tripod or ring light or whatever, and do not move it. Make sure it stays still to capture everything and get a good stop motion video. So we're going to begin. I'm going to hit start, and what you have to do now is just tap the screen every time you move something. So today I'm just going to do a video of how I make the juice. So the goal is to just play around with the glass and the juice itself and the straw. Make it as interesting as possible, so you can move it forward, backwards, however you want, just to make the effect more interesting. So we'll begin. I like to tell a story that starts off blank. So here's what I'll do. I'll just, have that as my background, and then I'll play around with everything. So I'm going to start with the kitchen towel, and I'm going to close it up and then tap the screen. You want to keep the stand still. Do not make it move. So you just, keep tapping as you move the object. That was just me creating the background. So the main story, which is this cup right here. The thing about this, you can see it in the background, so you control it, then remove your hand. Let the action begin. In. So what you want to do after you finish, I'm gonna take the last one. So I have 80 frames, so I'm going to hit the record button. Remember to always put at 3 minutes, because you do not know how long you're going to want to keep taking frames, pictures. So just keep it at the maximum, which is 3 minutes for now on TikTok. So now I'll hit the record, the red button, which is record. So now it's going to record everything. And you just want to let it roll till where you were when your video ended, the frames. So we're just going to see everything play out. And pause, because that's where my video ended. I like to make it keep recording till it almost starts again, because that's like when it plays on TikTok and it's continuous. It's so fun. Someone's like watching the video and almost going to the beginning without noticing. So now we have our video recorded, and I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to add a sound. So you choose a sound that you like.